Welcome everyone to the video overview of the Mesh2Rig 2.5 update. This update is dedicated to automation and batch processing. It also means speeding up your workflow with single objects if you choose to do so. The original pipeline now essentially serves as a configuration settings for the new automatic batch processing. Let's go over the new button. Batch collection. This is the collection containing the objects you need to process auto finalize. This automatically executes step 5. Honestly, there's usually no reason to turn this off. Auto clear animation automatically removes old animation from the models after the add-on bakes their mesh deformations onto the rig. This can save you a few extra clicks. Simple mode assigns a single bond per model, ignoring the other settings. This is useful for baking rigid body simulations where there is no internal mesh deformation. Batch process collection starts the batch processing mesh generated rigs, allows you to combine all objects and rigs created via the batch process collection into a single one. Clear animation allows you to remove old animation data from objects. It clears animation from objects within the collection and from currently selected objects. Without removing it, the baked animation will overlap with the old one as seen in this example, but pressing this button solves the problem immediately. Now let's take a look at the process of handling a rigid body simulation with multiple objects. I thank you for watching. I would appreciate your feedback here in the comments on GitHub or on Blender extension.